Builder's Excellence offers a range of features to support your estimating process. This video is going to provide a high-level overview of the following features. Checkbox features. In the Add Recipe widget used during estimating, editing a BOQ item reveals a list of selectable options. These options support advanced features. BOQ item types. Under this field are options that support additional features. Some of these options are also covered in this video. To begin, we'll review the checkbox features under the BOQ item records. In this video, we'll walk through each of these features, explain when and why you might use them in real business scenarios, and guide you to the relevant training videos to explore them in more detail. Itemized. Please note that this feature is not used for options. Watch the Managing Options video for more information. Itemized feature supports your proposal to split items from the subtotal. They are still a part of the contract value, but itemized separately. This feature is popular for insurance fees. Flexible quantity. This feature is ideal when the item quantity is uncertain. You select the material with your initial purchase, but can buy unlimited quantities across multiple purchases. The purchasing widget will alert you if you exceed the budget while still allowing the flexibility to buy more than originally estimated. This feature is especially useful for consumables that don't need a fixed allowance or specific product options. Fixed price. This feature is used in the budget widget. The item price, also known as the estimate value, automatically becomes the actual value when marked as fixed price. This helps track whether the client received more or less value than originally estimated. It's especially useful for items without related purchases or timesheets, such as internal equipment hire. It can also apply to set price services like tipping fees, where the value delivered is based on a fixed charge, not the underlying costs. Lock markup as $1. When creating an estimate, you can adjust the markup for individual items, grouped items, or the entire estimate. However, if you need to keep an item's markup fixed, even when applying bulk updates, use this feature to lock the markup value. This prevents the markup from being changed during any bulk updates. This feature is popular for expenses, where the cost is passed on to the client, and no markup or fixed fee is charged. Split labor and materials. This feature allows you to use a single BOQ item but break up the cost into materials and labor. This feature is popular for supplier and subcontractors quotes, if the labor and materials are priced but not itemized. RFQ required. If the item requires a subcontractor or supplier quote, ticking this feature adds the item to your RFQ pipeline, so you can submit a bid request to one of many external parties. Use allowance. Allowances can be linked to one or many BOQ items. By creating an allowance, you can purchase multiple products and track the budget remaining. This feature is popular for product options and construction budgets. Now let's move to the BOQ item type field. This field has pick list options to support different business scenarios. Most of the time, you will select the standard option. This applies to most labor and material items. The other options in this pick list support additional advanced features. You can see the options have been grouped based on the features they support. The automated items. These options are used in custom preliminary and concept agreements. You do not need to select these when building an estimate from the Add Recipe widget. If they are required, they are automatically updated from a blueprint. To learn more, watch the video on setting up a schedule of work in Zoho Forms. The time-based logic. If your BOQ item involves installation, you can enter the quantity required and specify the time involved. When the task is created in Zoho projects, the amount of time allocated is taken from the time specified in the BOQ item. Please note that the standard option can also be converted to a task, but the quantity is used to allocate the time. Overseas pricing. If you purchase materials in a different currency, you will need to use this feature. Selecting the overseas pricing option displays additional fields to capture the supplier's cost, currency, and exchange rate. This information is used to raise the purchase order, but convert it into your local currency for the proposal and job budget. Recurring. The recurring feature is for labor only and captures the frequency details of the task to calculate the total value. When the BOQ item is synced to Zoho projects, It automatically generates and schedules an individual task for each occurrence. The Calculate Time option calculates the total time required for each unit of measure, using the volume and time modifier with the time measure. This feature is ideal for estimating quantities based on a measurement. To learn more about these features, watch the individual videos under BOQ Item Estimating Features.